Next section. This section is going to be about simple arithmetic, just basic simple arithmetic, trying to take it slow. So let's begin. Before I start, I want you all to create a GitHub account. You don't have to do it right now, but make sure you create a GitHub account. We'll speak more of this a little later on, but for now, just create a GitHub account. Okay? Now, let's exit that out. All right. This is what we're going to be doing in a second, but I want to show you something real simple. You see this here? Let's put that there. Okay. https://play.golang.org. Get you one of those. Put it in the browser so that we can play around here. What this is basically is just a simple compiler inside, or an IDE, however you want to phrase it, inside of the actual web browser. It allows you to do things like this. Hello Playground. In our case, we're going to be doing some math. Okay, so I'm going to say let's do some math and run. See? Let's do some math. Okay? There's no difference between this and your computer. This is actually the fastest way to test your code without having a computer present. So you could go to this on your website on your phone and practice Golang. But hold on one second. I got to take this swig of beer real quick. Okay, sorry. Now let me pull the QuickTime up here. All right, so one more time, package main, okay? We're importing the format feature here, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna declare some variables. We're gonna need one for multiplication, we're gonna need one for division, we're gonna need one for the leftovers, the remainders of division, and something else I probably forgot to say. Okay. Now what you need to do, is you need to declare these things. So it's going to be like var w, get it, variable w, but you want it as an integer. Okay. Then you want to make var x, right, as an integer. Okay, then you want to make var y, right, as an integer, and then you want to make var z as an integer. Now to test this, what we're going to do is we're going to replace this thing. Make sure you get all of that. Make sure you get rid of the complete get rid of the quotations, and you get the point. Get rid of those quotations, the whole thing. Get rid of it. It's got to go. It's got to go. You got to get rid of that. And you're going to put W there, okay? But see, here's the thing. It's a program that runs within these constraints. These are your walls. If it's before the wall, it don't understand it. If it's after the wall, guess what? It don't understand it. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to declare this this thing they call W. So we're going to say W equals 7. We're going to run it. 7. Would you go figure? Get it? The W right there is also in here. Isn't that cool? Let's get a little freaky with it. How about 7 times 2? Let's run it. 14. That's not bad. Let's go a little further. X equals, let's say, 6 divided by 3. Okay? Let's see. It doesn't know what X is. You know why? Because we never declared it. So I'm a kind of a cheapskate, man. I don't like writing a lot of stuff. I'm real lazy, like, you know. I guess that's why a lot of people try to clown on me a little bit, but it's okay. Right there, put the X. Now we run. Look at that. Bam! It's 2. Okay? So then we're going to do like Y equals, let's say, 6 plus 1, you know? And then we got to make sure we got to declare the same thing. We got to get that same line that looks like that. Okay? And then we're going to paste it, and we're going to erase it, and then we're going to put a Y. And then we're going to say run. And look at that, it's 7. Okay? Now, something a lot of people don't understand what this does, so I'm going to explain it. So let's say you were trying to divide, let's say 6 into, no, I'm sorry, how about 7 into 1? How about 7 into 2? If you're going to divide 7 into 2, what would happen? You would have a remainder, wouldn't you? So let's see how we would write the word remainder. How about 7, right? Give me the remainder. That's what I want you to think of. When you see that symbol there, this symbol right there, I want you to think of remainders, okay? Divided by 2. And we're gonna do the same thing. I gotta show you the remainder, see, because this one command here, fmt.println, basically format the print line, you know, that basically prints out whatever you type. So we're gonna do this. Let's see. Look at that, 1. Isn't that cool? So as you see, this is a percent sign, right? It means remainder, addition, division, multiplication. We printed out each one of the variables to W, X, Y, and Z. Alrighty, simple arithmetic. This is Corey. I'll check